folks. I hope you're doing well. Here's my 2022 calendar. As you know, I love birdies, and these birds were all taken here in Santa Cruz. Here's a brown pelican that was down in Powell's Beach, right down where we go many days a week. Here's a sweet little, I think that's a rufous hummingbird and a bee. A bird and a bee and a flower without a tree. Here's a hawk that was in our yard that landed on a pole. Here's an egret. We love the snowy egrets that are often down at the beach. I call this one milkshake because it looks like a milkshake. Milk being shaken, I should say. Here's a green heron crouching down, probably looking for an insect to snap. Here's some Canadian geese. Here's a mama and some babies. And I know there are Canadians who told me to call them Canada geese. So, okay, I'll do that. Canada geese. Here's a blackbird. And I love the yellow around the eyes, how they look when they look at you. Here's an Anna's hummingbird. We have a lot of them in our yard. This is, I love, the magenta. When the males, they turn their head a certain way. Light gets reflected. Here are two egrets. One evening, I was walking on the levee, and they were there at dusk. And I really like the light, how it plays on the water. Here are two goldfinches. Carl has a lot of echinacea in the backyard, and they've died, but they have lots of seeds in them, so goldfinches and lots of other birds come and eat the seeds. Here's a sweet little sparrow. And here's a mallard preening. It looks quite beautiful. And they're very, very flexible. Well, pretty much all birds are. I envy that. And here is a blue heron that was up at Westlake. You see the pretty colors of the leaves. So the pictures won't be in this order. I've rearranged them, but don't worry about that. Anyway, the prices have gone up because they've gone, I don't know, printing, and for whatever reason they've gone up. But I'm charging $20 now. But the calendars are on, the pictures are on a very heavy cardstock. So it's not, the light, flimsy that you often see in calendars. Also, they're on a glossy, I pay more for a glossy paper because I just think they look better. So if you're interested, let me know. As I say, they're $20 and then will be plus postage. All right. Thank you. Toodles.